Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If the vibration is not working on your Android, whether it's for calls, messages or touch feedback, this video is for you. Let's fix it step by step. First, swipe down from the top to open quick settings and make sure your phone is not on mute or silent mode. Now go to settings, tap on sounds and vibration. Tap vibration while ringing. Make sure it's turned on. Then scroll down and find this option called vibration intensity and slide up the levels. Also, check app notification settings. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called notifications. Then go to app notifications and tap on messages, phone or any app you want vibration for. Make sure vibrate is enabled under its notification sound settings. Another step can be to update your software. For that, head to settings, scroll down and find this option called software update and tap on it. Then tap download and install. A system update may fix any bugs related to vibration. If nothing works and the motor is fine, try a factory reset. For that, go to settings and then general management. Find this option called reset and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap factory data reset. Make sure you back up your files before doing this. And that's how you fix vibration not working on your Android phone. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.